Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about the Smart Exchange. Smart Exchange is a website that Smart hosts where you can download and share lessons, activities, and other resources that you may need for your Smartboard or Smart products. You'll see that you can search by various categories of subject and grade and download lots of different file types as well. And you can actually upload a resource you have created and share it with other teachers. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's say I'm looking for a lesson on fractions. I'll filter by grade 4 and select mathematics in the subject filter. Once inside the results page, I have the ability to change the grade level filter, and I have some students who need a little more advanced work, so let's add grade 5 to my search. You can see that I can still change the subject filter, and I can also choose a resource type here. This lesson on dividing fractions looks interesting, so I click on it and look through the thumbnails of each part of the lesson. Once I've decided on a file, I can add this resource directly to my Smart Learning Suite online library, or I can download it if I want to work on it in Smart Notebook. I actually want to save this to my Smart Learning Suite online account so I can add handouts, create collaborative workspaces and activities, and assessments to allow students to interact with this lesson using their devices. You can also share a resource on Smart Exchange. Once I click Share a Resource at the top of the page, I sign in using my Microsoft or Google account. Once I log in, I can upload a resource by either dragging and dropping the file or uploading from my desktop. While the file is uploading, I can add details about the resource that will help other teachers find it in their searches. I'll name this file something short and simple, and add a basic description of the lesson. I also add in some optional keywords to help this resource show up in various web searches. I add the corresponding grade levels and subject. If I mistakenly add a subject, for example, I can deselect it by clicking on the check mark. I can also add a resource type. Once I select Share, my lesson is then reviewed by a moderator. When a lesson is in moderation, it will show up as pending approval. Once your lesson is approved, it will show up under the Shared Resources tab. Smart also allows teachers to provide feedback about the Smart Exchange. Just visit smarttech.uservoice.com to let them know what you think. If you'd like to learn more about what types of resources are the best to upload to the Smart Exchange, visit the FAQ page on the Smart Support site. With all this inspiration, what will you create or what will you share? Visit exchange.smarttech.com today. Thanks for joining me.